Hi everybody, it's Mary Trujillo with the K Grant Group. I want to welcome you to my newest listing that's here in Peoria. It's in the amazing community of Pinecrest. This is a great 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath, 2-story home. It comes with everything that you would need. It comes with your washer, dryer, newer appliances in the kitchen. Your washer and dryer are 7 months old. It's move-in ready. I want you to come on in and take a look. Let me know what you think. You've got walking trails, there's a park, you've got quick access to restaurants, the 60 to freeways, everything that you could possibly need. Come on in and take a look.
I think I saw it coming. Now I'm in a free fall with nothing to hold on to. Basic for the end, pray for the wind. Just slow down the feeling and let me somewhere new. Staring down the ground, it's coming soon. Wishing I could just fall into you. Hey yeah, hey yeah. Wishing I could just fall into you. Hey yeah, hey yeah. Wishing I could just fall into you. Hey yeah, hey yeah. Wishing I could just fall into you. Hey yeah, hey yeah.
Well, now that you took your video tour, what did you think? Great place, huh? If you'd like to see it for real, give me a call. Let's schedule an appointment for your tour.